225-013-199, Lisa Borowski versus Maricopa County.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brian Irvin for defendant Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell.
Your Honor, Courtney Glenn also appearing for Rachel Mitchell.
All right. Mr. Willencheck.
Well, thank you. Basically, Judge, we had issued a records request for probably what we thought amounts to just a few documents. This, by way of brief background, involves Mayor Borowski in Scottsdale and a bunch of people that alleged that somehow she was involved in something that was nefarious involving a parking garage, which was all untrue. They then set out to send what we believe to be a false claim to the county attorney's office, which was then somehow handed over to the press almost immediately. I'm not accusing Rachel Mitchell of that, by the way. I don't know enough to say that, but somebody, obviously, who probably is the person who sent it to her, sent it to the press. We've obviously sent letters out to every individual that we could think of that was involved. Only one or two have responded, so we have no idea who this person is. The only way we would really find out to get to the bottom of the case is to get these documents, which can't be much because it seems like it was, according to at least the press reports from the county attorney's office, some kind of a complaint. It may have even been anonymous from what we can gather, but we don't know that. We don't know how it was sent, how it was received. And we just simply wanted to see how it came into the county attorney's office and by who, if possible. It's been a while, and nobody's even responded to our request. So henceforth, the attempt to just get the documents. And I don't know really what the issue here is, but I'm sure Mr. Irvin will let us know why they aren't producing them or what their issue is.
Thank you, Your Honor. We have reviewed some of the public records requests, and we would probably also do significant redactions, maybe significant is the wrong word, redactions to some of these records. The state has an interest in protecting people who are reporting possible criminal activity. I need time to go through the records, determine what we would want to redact. So we could probably get it to him in the summer, June.
I really want to know how this came into the county attorney's office based on the newspaper reports and, if possible, who sent it, because it was completely defamatory, false, etc. And ultimately, the county attorney's office did drop it. But we want to proceed against whoever maliciously sent it. But putting that aside, I really just want, and if he's going to redact the individual who sent it, the name, then we probably should have a hearing to determine if that's appropriate. But that's really, if that helps him, the main document that I want to know, the main information I want to know.
I understand that your client is looking at pursuing a civil action against these people, but it's our office. We have to consider sort of the law enforcement nature of our office and the best interest of the state and privacy interest of individuals in sort of reporting potential criminal activity. I'm not fully aware of the parking garage issue and the potential politics behind it all, but the state has an interest in sort of people reporting crimes and not facing retribution for.
I've been in your shoes. I understand that. The only thing I would say is I don't think this fits into that category at all. But I don't want to argue it here, but it was clearly done to be malicious and then sent to the paper by someone at the same time for the purpose of advertising it. And, we can deal with that another day, but that's my only interest here. I appreciate the state's interest very much. But that's all I'm really looking for right now, if that helps. And I think that should be pretty easy. And if you're going to redact the individual's name, then I would ask the court respectfully to have a brief hearing on that or brief it to determine if that's appropriate under the circumstances.